Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Breakaway Sea Boxes for the 2014-2015 Upper Deck Artifacts box break number 1. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is NE221-318-678. That's NE221-318-678. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got a dual jersey 75 and a 125 Matt Reed for the Flyers. Autofax Thomas Dricko for the Red Wings. Artifacts 124/499 at Belfour for the Leafs. Ruby Parallel. Rookie for the Lightning is number 943/999 of Vladislav Nemestinkov. Some of these Russian names hard to pronounce. Thunder Tatum's dual jersey of Josh Georges and David Descharnay for the Canadiens. Short for base 28/85 for the Stars of Eric Lindros. Got a goalie base 416 and a 999, Carey Price from Montreal. Rookie for the Blues of Ty Ratty, 869 out of 999. Got Rick Redemption for the Rangers. And the last pack. And Frozen Artifacts jersey of Brandon Saad for the Blackhawks. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.